Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in new Outlook. So let's get started. So now here we are on Outlook, and from here what we're going to do first is that we're going to tap here on home, click here on new mail, and then you should be seeing something like this. And as you can see right here, this is my current signature right here, but you can also put a literal signature if you'd want to. So you can click here on this button once you have clicked on the new mail, and you will be able to see all of your previous signatures right here, and click here on signatures if you would want to make one. And from here you can click here on new signature, and from here name your signature. So let's say sample tutorial signature. And then from here you want to paste your signature, so you can upload a photo right here, a text. You can format it however you'd want, so you can just do it right here. So I'm just, for the sake of tutorial, I'm just gonna go for sample signature, and then I'm gonna go for something like this, and just like that, just so that we can see that it is being added. And I'm just gonna go and make this bold, make that red, and so on. So once you're done with that one, you can now hit on save, and then you would now be able to use that signature right here. So now all I have to do is basically just go click here on this drop down arrow and click on the signature right here, and as you can see, it will now be activated here. But if you would want to automatically use the signature, all you have to do is click here, and then from here for new messages, you can just set your signature into this default for new messages, and for forwards and replies you can also set that up. And then once you click on save, so whenever you click on new mail, it would automatically use the signature that you have selected. So that is basically it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.